Hi learners, welcome again on our productive platform. So in the previous section, we verified that when we are going with the implementation of Hyper-V, so we required three major components. The first one was compute and the second one was storage. While the third one was missing in the previous section, and it's related with the connectivity, or you can say we don't have any virtual switch for the purpose of connectivity when we are going to connect our virtual infrastructure with our data center. So inside the Hyper-V manager we have option. Here you can see virtual switch manager. So inside the virtual switch manager window, you can verify that there is no virtual switch available. So if you want to if you want to connect our virtual machines to our external infrastructure or to connect with our data center, we need a virtual switch. So we are going with the implementation of virtual switch, and behind the scene from here you can easily verify that. Well, click on the Ethernet option and change adapter option. So inside my host I have 4 Ethernet adapters, and I have created my team network over here, and with the name of LAN dash team, in which I integrated my all 4 physical adapters inside this team. And if you have any problems regarding the implementation of LAN teaming, so the document is already attached with this course, so you can download it and configure with very easy steps. So let's move with the implementation of virtual switch here. So when we are going with the implementation of virtual switch, we have three major options. The first one is external, which is completely dedicated for production infrastructure, and this type of virtual switch has all the capabilities regarding the connectivity. When you are when you want to connect your virtual infrastructure with your host, with your data center, or any kind of other external infrastructure, so you will be configure external switch. While the second option here you can see it's called internal virtual switch, and here you can see create a virtual switch that can be used only by the virtual machines that run on this physical computer. So this kind of virtual switch is utilized for the purpose of connectivity between your physical host and virtual machines only. So this type of switch is not capable to connect any kind of external infrastructure, and most of the time we are going to create this type of switch for the purpose of testing or for the purpose of isolating our virtual infrastructure from our data center. While the third one is called private virtual switch, which is completely dedicated for the purpose of connectivity between virtual machines which created on this host. So private switch is only capable to provide connectivity between virtual machines only. So we will go with the first option here, external, and create virtual switch. So here name it, and I called it node 1 virtual machine switch, sorry, switch. Okay, and I just select here a Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexer driver, which is my team adapter. So with the simple options, I click on the apply button and click on the yes, and within a few moments this virtual switch will be created, and we will verify it after the deployment. Now it's going for applying the changes regarding virtual switch infrastructure. Now here you can see that node 1 VM switch is created, and now we are going to click on OK. And behind the scene we are going to verify inside the virtual switch manager. Now here you can see this virtual switch will be available. So now we have three major options available which we required for the deployment of Hyper-V. The first one is compute, the second one is storage, and the third one is virtual switch for the purpose of connectivity. So now our infrastructure is ready and we are going with the implementation of virtual machines in upcoming sessions.